Hey, what's outside? Did you hear that? Let's go look outside. Vic, what are you doing, buddy? I gotta open that. That's what this video's for. Pickle. I gotta get in there. Alright, bud, you gotta move. Here we go. So, North Face. I did a review on the Surge backpack 5 years ago, and it's been one of my best, one of my biggest YouTube videos there is. It was back when I had no clue how to make a video or what a backdrop was or anything like that. Awful video, 75,000 views. So I figured I'd get my hands on the new one and do an updated review. This is it. North Face Surge backpack. Don't look at my address. So nice and clean unboxing here. Got any of this stuff. Look at that. That is clean. That is a clean pack right there. I like it. So I've had Osprey Nebula. That has been my go-to EDC pack for a long time. Pretty much when I sold this guy, and obviously I've had GoRucks, I've had Mystery Ranches, I've had every single kind of backpack there is, and this North Face bag, I think for 95% of people, is the best EDC or school bag that you can get, along with the Osprey Nebula. So I'll probably do a head-to-head on those two, but this guy is North Face's version. I absolutely love it. The old one I had, I heard they redid the shoulder straps. Those are kind of stiff. We'll have to see. Those are kind of stiff. I don't know. Hopefully you guys can see. It's a black bag, so it's a little dark. But yeah, so let's go ahead and do a quick overview. I did bring all of my EDC stuff that I'm gonna like throw in here. First impressions for you guys, but this guy comes in at $129. I do get a little pro deal on North Face, so actually it's for first responders, so I think I got half off on this guy, which was a great deal. I went with the clean black. I think that you can't go wrong with that North Face black. Let's see what's going on. I did get a new Osprey bag. I honestly don't even know what it's called, but I don't really like it. It's a new version of their, oh, that's a big just fleece pocket. That's awesome. Let's see what else. So it's another pocket. These are two separate pockets. This is nylon, this is fleece. That's great, nice beefy zippers. I don't know what I was saying. I'll talk about that Osprey bag later. 2 bottle pockets. Love to see. We've got this first, where was that? This first little admin pocket here. I like that it doesn't go all the way down the bag. You've got a couple compartments here, nothing crazy, fleece lined, a little bit of padding, zipper here. Again, not all the way down the bag. I actually like to see that instead of stuff just falling all the way down in that first pocket. And then main compartment here. Tons of room. The one thing I love about, or I loved about my old Surge, was that it has like padding throughout the bag, so you can really. So I brought over my other EDC stuff here for when I'm gonna put it in here. But as I was saying, what I liked about the old bag, from what I can remember, is that it was really well padded, and then you have like this ballistic nylon on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it gives the bag a nice premium feel. It's still not too heavy. You've got a nice, super nice padding back here. And that's a big feature on EDC bags and school bags. You know, a lot of the time you're gonna be just chucking this thing around. I've got, between my camera, my laptop, my tablet, whatever else I have in here, you know, you've got, most college kids have $1,000 to a couple $1,000s worth of stuff they're dragging around. Or, you know, me, I'm not in college anymore, but I have my laptop, my camera, stuff like that. So I like to have a nice, well-built bag. And as much as I like to stay away from mainstream bag makers, sometimes it's hard. I think that, you know, North Face makes great stuff, and I think this is probably the best bag they make. Yeah, we'll keep going into it. On the inside here, you've got a huge compartment. I love to see that. I'm always carrying around a bunch of shit I don't need. a bunch of stuff I don't need. Extra clothes, running clothes, camera gear, whatever. Super nice pocket there. It doesn't zip all the way down, but that's fine. I'd rather have water bottle pockets. Well, you've got the dual access water bottle pocket just like Osprey started doing, so there's that. Compression straps on either side, a nice little hip belt. I never use these on bags this size, so I just take them off and chuck them in a corner of my closet that it's just like a black hole. All right, let's move on to one of the best features of the Surge and this North Face line in general, which is going to be the laptop pocket. Look at that. Look at how that thing just opens up. It just, boom, right there. So we've got a Dell XPS, boom, 13-inch, right in there. And we got a tab, some Samsung tablet, right in that second pocket as well. And you've even got more storage for like a notebook or something. But this is why I wanted this bag. The laptop sleeve is suspended. You're not gonna bang your laptop when you set it down. And it's out of the way. It's against your back. You've got nice padding here to separate it a little bit. It's gonna be out of the way, and then, you know, the pocket we just went over, the main pocket, you've got all your room unobstructed by your laptop. That way you can throw all that bulky stuff in here, which I'm gonna go over now. So let's go ahead and load this up. I know I wanted to make this a quick video. I wanted to make this like a quick first impressions, but you know, I love these kind of videos. I love seeing people load their stuff up. I will do a full review of this guy later. But for now, let's load it up real quick. So I have a carabiner. I always carry a carabiner on my bags. We'll chuck it right there. For hat, running shoes, anything that I don't want on the inside, I'll just chuck it on the outside. So this is everything from my old, or the EDC bag I was using. Mostly everything. It's not very crazy. I got a lot of pouches here. A lot of my stuff that I'm using are in these pouches, but so this is my camera bag case, extra lens, batteries, mics, etc. Oh, just right in there. Look at that. You don't even know. Okay, then we've got extra batteries, GoPro stuff. In this pouch, we're gonna chuck that in the bottom. Let's see, I've got my portable hard drive. I had to put Pickle away. He was messing with the bag. All right, where was I? Portable hard drive and portable charger. Let's go ahead and don't nitpick. This is the first time I'm organizing this bag with you guys as well. Doing it live. Let's see. Oh, that's a good pocket. Well, yeah, that's a good pocket. Oh, look at that. Fits right in there. No worries at all. Done deal. Boom. Okay, now we've got my big bulky laptop charger. Let's put that, ooh, let's see. All right, look at that. Main compartment, done deal. This is miscellaneous stuff, mouse, plugins, adapters, stuff like that. We'll just chuck it down in this main compartment as well. Oh yeah, I forgot about these two outside pockets. I have more pockets than I know what to do with. Let's go fleece line pocket. Nice spot for a Kindle Paperwhite. Perfect, easy access. I never even use that thing. I don't even know. I want to use it, but I never do. So that's in there, done. Football, little foot massager ball. I run a lot. I've been running a lot. These things are awesome. It's just a nice little massage ball. Let's, quick access item. We'll put that in that front pocket. What's in here? We've got kind of odds and ends. Odds and ends stuff we'll put in here as well. Multi-tool, flashlight, headlamp, bottle opener. You never know. Quick access items as well, right on the front. This pocket is awesome. I love that. Meds, you know, pills, etc. And we'll throw that in one of these guys. I have more room in this bag and more pockets than I even know what to do with. And I'm definitely gonna have to reorganize. My EDC stuff, yeah, we don't even need to have it all in one pouch now. Watch this. Boom. EDC, multi-tool, Swiss Army knife, bottle opener, headlamp. We can now pocket, pocket, pocket. Now I don't even have to take these big bulky pouches. You know, I don't even need them. Before I used to have them because there wasn't enough pockets. I had to organize my own stuff. Fleece line pocket on the front. That's good for cell phone, keys, wallet, headphones. As you guys can see, these zippers are sliding. They are working well. Look at that. The back panel is really padded. We're gonna get rid of this hip belt, but there it is. As you guys can see, first impressions loaded up. I will put my water bottle in here. Other side, I typically either have another water bottle or I'll put like I'll put this. If I'm carrying my camera equipment, it's always kind of tough because it's grippy, but you know, boom. You can side compression strap in there. You don't need that. And you even have a daisy chain on the front. Oh my God. This backpack is honestly fully equipped. I already can tell, you know, it's pretty much like the bag from 2015. I think these shoulder straps are a little different, but we'll have to kind of see after I use it a bit what I think. Yeah, there it is. North Face Surge unboxing, quick initial impressions. Loading it up. It's kind of what I carry on a daily basis. Down to the coffee shop, driving around aimlessly, you know, stuff like that. So if you guys enjoyed this, subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of equipment coming. We have a lot of fun stuff, trail running, hiking, EDC, you name it. We're gonna try to get into it. So if you guys like this, give it a thumbs up or subscribe. It really helps me out. And be on the lookout for the full review, the full final or follow-up review. And I'll see you guys in the next one.